The error 0x80073CF3 when trying to install Doom the Dark Ages via the Xbox app or Microsoft Store on PC usually means there's a problem with app dependencies, such as missing or incompatible components, or a corrupt installation cache. This error translates to a, quote, package failed updates, dependency or conflict validation issue, meaning something your system needs to install the game is outdated, broken, or blocked. Here are the solutions of this error.